Hello guys, welcome to Programming Skills, and today in this video we will be discussing about this asterisk. What does that asterisk, or simply we can say star operator in CSS, which is also known as universal operator. Okay, this is basically used to select each and every element in the CSS at a time. Okay, so here it is also written the star selector selects all the elements. The star selector can also select the element inside the element. Okay, so this is given, so we will go through the VS Code and see the practical what does it actually means. So here you can see I have two files, one is index.html and another one is style.css. okay, one for HTML part and another for that styling CSS part. Here you can see this HTML I have written doc type HTML, and below it I have written one head tag, and inside this head tag there are two meta tags. One is UTF-8 and another one is for the viewport. Okay, so here I have taken one title and I have linked this CSS part I have linked here by using this link tag here. Okay, so this is the body. Inside the body I have 6 number of heading tags like h1, h2 up to h6. Here you can see in this style.css what I have done. I have taken one h1, I have colored to that h1, I have colored red, and below it I have written star, means asterisk. Okay, it is basically the universal operator as we have discussed before. Here I have given each and every color will be what? Blue. Each and every color except this one, because it is already declared that h1 will have the color of red. So except that h1, each and every will be this blue in color, each and every. But after that what I am doing, below it I am just writing h1, h2 and I am putting one comma. So comma is basically used to separate multiple, when we need multiple number of element we want to select and give a means single property. Okay, like border. Here you can see it's a border. You can also assign any kind of like backgrounds and all, but I have just taken a border. Okay, so here you can see when I will click on this go live, so you can see this is our universal selector in CSS. First color as we have mentioned, it is in red. Other colors are blue in color. This is because first of all we have declared that hello world. First we have declared it and that color we have given red. Okay, but below it we have written that each and everything will be blue in color. So for this reason it is blue in color, and we have also mentioned that from h1 to h6 all will have border of 2 pixels. Here you can see all will have border of 2 pixels solid RGB. Similarly you can select the component between the components, like here I will show you an example. Like here you can take a div, okay, and you have to cut this one and you can add it to below part of it. Okay, I'm just writing here format document for the better document clarity. So here you see inside this div, this is what h1 to h6, this remain inside this div. So what I will do, inside this div I can select each and every one. Like here I will write just a div. Inside that div I want to select each and everything, and I want to change the font size of it. I want to change the font size will be 100 pixels. Okay, so when I will go to my page, you can see each and everything inside the div is now 100 pixel. Okay, so here I can make 50 pixel for it will be in one page. You can see it properly like this, because each and everything inside the div we can also select. So this is known as component in between a component. And here if you have any doubt that whether it is div or not, I am also providing one border so that you can understand very clearly. I am providing 5 pixels solid red. So after providing this, you can see this red in border is the border of the div, and inside it these are h1 to h6. But I have changed the color of it, and also I have changed this one like color of this all. And after that what I have assigned inside the div, each and every component, this star means each and every component will have font size 50 pixel. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, and if you are interested in this CSS and HTML series and all, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.